Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this is just a funny one. There's nothing really deep to read into it. It's just funny, unique and peculiar, so I've decided to do a video about it. So here it is. Harvard University sent a Nigerian man rejection letter, and he responds to them with his own epic rejection letter. So the name of the character in question is a chap called Ifeanyi Iseche, and he starts it off with, just sent this to Harvard. They got to let me in now, and he did, and then added a series of emoji. So obviously he had applied to Harvard to go study, and that application had been rejected, and Harvard has subsequently sent him a letter stating that his application had been rejected, and stating the reasons why. And then he's now responding to that rejection letter with this epic piece. So it starts it off. Dear Harvard Admissions Committee, thank you for your interest in giving me a Harvard rejection letter. I have received your letter, and I am impressed with your rejection reasons and other suggestions. However, I have received many rejection letters this year. Therefore, after careful consideration, I have decided not to accept your rejection letter. Please understand that this is not a negative evaluation of your rejection letter, but rather a reflection of my unique choice criteria, a reflection of his unique choice criteria. Once again, I appreciate your courage to give me a rejection letter and wish you every success in your future rejecting. I will see you on campus in August. Best regards. So that is his response to Harvard rejecting his application to come study there, which is quite epic, and this has now made it onto the social media. Obviously all manner of responses. Let me just read you one response. Anonymous, very lovely. I love your courage and determination. God will surely see you through, cause you sound really determined. I like that letter, is another response. And good for them, somebody else says. He must attend the school whether they like it or not. Laugh out loud. That's Lily Gray. And on it goes. I beg they should give the guy admission, and I agree with that actually, that they should give the guy admission, because really, so he's applied and they've rejected it, but he's now had the imagination to send this very funny and very astute sort of response, and off the back of that response alone should be enough of a reason to give him that admission, because clearly there's a functioning mind there, and this guy clearly has something to offer just off the back of this response. So like I said, a funny little one, just really to give you laughs. So conversations in the comment section. Have you ever rejected a rejection and insisted that you're going to follow through? This is the topic of this fun little gist. So let's have the gist in the comment section. But before you come join me in the comment section to have this conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, the bell button as well, that notifies you whenever I drop a video. So once you've done both, come join me in the comment section, and then we can just have a laugh about this. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.